Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
So today morning topic is about password security. Your password is your first line of defense. So before we dive in, I want to hear from one of you what comes to your mind when you hear the phrase strong password. Maybe from Kak Jerry. Oh, Kak Jerry.
Hello, San. Strong password ya.
Yeah.
Strong password should be have uppercase, at least one symbol, one number, character with uppercase and many lowercase. But also have additional parameter, not my birth date, not my girlfriend date, not my yeah, something common date. Okay, that's from me.
Okay. Thank you, Kak Jerry. That's a really good answer, really. So guys, password is more than just a way for us to log in. It is the first lock to protecting both company and our personal data. If it's weak, it's like leaving the door wide open for anyone to break in. The strength of a password comes from its length and complexity, just like what Kak Jerry said. So, a simple 6-character password actually can be cracked in just minutes. But an 8-character password with uppercase, lowercase, number, and symbol can create trillion of possible combinations and making it harder for hacker to break. A password also should not be reused across multiple accounts. I know that many people reuse the same password for multiple accounts because it feels easier to manage. But it is risky because if one account is compromised, every other account with the same password is also at risk. And I know maybe some of us feel like we have the goldfish memory or ingatan ikan koki, so remembering many different passwords can be a real challenge. The good news is there is tool like Password Manager or browser security feature that can help us to generate, store, and protect multiple unique passwords safely. And one last thing about password, whenever possible, we can turn on multi-factor authentication or MFA. MFA will add an extra step like a code sent to your phone or an authenticator app. So even if someone gets to our password, they still can get in easily. It is like adding a second lock to our door. And that is for strong password. Now I have another question. When was the last time you update your password? Maybe Hermawan? Hermawan, when was the last time you update your password one?
Here, update the password.
Yeah,
Uh, Maybe it's on 2020.
really,
It's
2 years ago,
around
right?
5 years ago. Yeah.
2 years ago, okay. Thank you, One, for your honest answer. So
Okay. You're
maybe
welcome.
I want to ask another person, Kak Ade. Hello, Kak Ade.
Hello.
When was the last time you update your password, Kak Ade?
Last time I changed my password is the first time that I create the account. So yeah, I'm not really that have a routine. So maybe I will give it to routine, my routine.
Okay, thank you, Kak Ade, for your honest answer too. So, guys, it is important to change our password regularly. Why? This is especially for our critical account because updating password can limit damage from old leaks and keep account aligned with modern security standard. It will reduce the risk of long-term exposure if our credentials were ever stolen without our knowledge. So for today's challenge, I want you guys to use a password checker or browser security setting to review the saved password and update at least one week or one reused password. So, at the end of the day, password hygiene is not just about convenience, it's reflects our professionalism and accountability in protecting our data and information. And that is for me. Is there anything to add from management team, HR team, or ISMS team? Okay, I think no. So before I close today's session, I will have a simple reminder. Our passwords are like toothbrush. Don't share them and change them regularly. So that's it for me, guys. Don't forget to double check and triple check your job. Strive to make it happen. Cheers.
Cheers.